بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most compassionate, most merciful.
ويل-ل-للمطففين.
Woe to the defrauders.
الذين إذا اكتالوا على الناس يستوفون.
Those who take full measure when they buy from people.
وإذا كالوهم أو وزنوهم يخسرون.
But give less when they measure or weigh for buyers.
ألا يظن أولئك أنهم مبعوثون.
Do such people not think that they will be resurrected?
ليوم عظيم.
For a tremendous day.
يوم يقوم الناس لرب العالمين.
The day all people will stand before the Lord of all worlds.
كلا إن كتاب الفجار لفي سجين.
But no, the wicked are certainly bound for Sijin in the depths of hell.
وما أدراك ما سجين.
And what will make you realize what Sijin is?
كتاب مرقوم.
A fate already sealed.
ويل يومئذ للمكذبين.
Woe on that day to the deniers.
الذين يكذبون بيوم الدين.
Those who deny Judgment Day.
وما يكذب به إلا كل معتد أثيم.
None would deny it except every evil-doing transgressor.
إذا تتلى عليه آياتنا قال أساطير الأولين.
Whenever our revelations are recited to them, they say, ancient fables.
كلا بل ران على قلوبهم ما كانوا يكسبون.
But no, in fact their hearts have been stained by all the evil they used to commit.
كلا إنهم عن ربهم يومئذ لمحجوبون.
Undoubtedly, they will be sealed off from their Lord on that day.
ثم إنهم لصالو الجحيم.
Moreover, they will surely burn in hell.
ثم يقال هذا الذي كنتم به تكذبون.
And then be told, this is what you used to deny.
كلا إن كتاب الأبرار لفي عليين.
But no, the virtuous are certainly bound for Iliyun in elevated gardens.
وما أدراك ما عليون.
And what will make you realize what Iliyun is?
كتاب مرقوم.
A fate already sealed.
يشهده المقربون.
Witnessed by those nearest to Allah.
إن الأبرار لفي نعيم.
Surely the virtuous will be in bliss.
على الأرائك ينظرون.
Seated on canopied couches gazing around.
تعرف في وجوههم نضرة النعيم.
You will recognize on their faces the glow of delight.
يسقون من رحيق مختوم.
They will be given a drink of sealed pure wine.
ختامه مسك وفي ذلك فليتنافس المتنافسون.
Whose last sip will smell like musk. So let whoever aspires to this strive diligently.
ومزاجه من تسنيم.
And this drink's flavor will come from tasnim.
عينا يشرب بها المقربون.
A spring from which those nearest to Allah will drink.
إن الذين أجرموا كانوا من الذين آمنوا يضحكون.
Indeed, the wicked used to laugh at the believers.
وإذا مروا بهم يتغامزون
Wink to one another whenever they pass by.
وإذا انقلبوا إلى أهلهم انقلبوا فكهين
And muse over these exploits upon returning to their own people.
وإذا رأوهم قالوا إن هؤلاء لضالون
And when they saw the faithful, they would say, "These people are truly astray."
وما أرسلوا عليهم حافظين
Even though they were not sent as keepers over the believers.
فاليوم الذين آمنوا من الكفار يضحكون
But on that day, the believers will be laughing at the disbelievers.
على الأرائك ينظرون
As they sit on canopied couches, looking on.
هل ثوب الكفار ما كانوا يفعلون
The believers will be asked, "Have the disbelievers not been paid back for what they used to do?"